good, guys? It's your girl Shanette Carleo back with another video. If you fuck with me heavy, hit the subscribe button. You done know already. If you're new to the channel, my name's Shanette Carleo. Go ahead and subscribe and join the gang, I make real talk videos, girl talk videos, and lifestyle videos. Click subscribe, it's free. It's free. It's not a direct debit coming out of your bank account. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 4 ways to make a bad submit. Now, when I'm talking about a bad, I'm talking about somebody who really have got stuff going on for themselves. They're looking good. They've got amazing personality. Bossy, independent, don't really want to like let no one in. Has walls up. You know, a bit like me. Somebody like me. A bit of a tough exterior, but you know, on the inside, if you break through the rules, I'm a cool cucumber. I'm very soft, I'm very calm, but nobody's gonna tell me what to do. So how do you get a girl like me to like soften up, calm down, feel relaxed with you, feel comfortable with you, and want to submit to you? A lot of people might feel like I can't submit, but I actually am a very, when it's the right person, I'm a very submissive person. But you have to be a particular person with certain qualities. Because the thing is, a lot of man them, they want the girls them to submit, but you ain't really got the submissive qualities. So I'm gonna tell you, I'm just giving you man them the gems again. Nobody is coming to tell me I don't make videos for the man them. I'm giving you game. Before we get into the video, obviously, you know what I'm gonna say, go and follow me on my socials. Also, make sure you please thumbs up this video. You might as well do it now. You might as well do it now before we go any further. I'll wait. I'm waiting. Hopefully you've pressed the like button. You've had some manners, because a lot of you don't have manners here. You come here, you watch the video, and you don't subscribe, you don't press the like. So please, it helps me out. I'd appreciate it, and then we can move it. Because these are gems I'm giving. I should be charging for these gems. Furthermore, so the least you can do is like the video. Also, make sure you're subscribed, obviously, and you hit that notification bell so you know, so I can pop up on your phone. You can see Shanette Carleo just pop up, just on your phone. You'd be like, yeah, that's my ID. That's the gang. So the first thing you want to do if you want to get a woman to submit to you is you have to have coin. You have to have coin. Now let me just hold on a minute. A lot of women that submit to men are women that know that they are financially taken care of. I'm not saying that you have to have all this money and spend it on anybody, but what you have to understand is that if a woman has to stress about money, if they have to fret about how they're going to eat next month, how they're going to pay the bills, how they're going to this, how they're going to that, in a relationship with a man, and that man is not contributing to none of that, not helping her with none of that, she's not going to want to submit to him. She's paying all the bills. If she's having to look after the man, there's no way you're going to get a woman to submit to you, because she is basically taking on the masculine side. So what happens is there becomes a lack of respect in terms of how she speaks to you, how she deals with you, because realistically in real life she knows she don't actually need you for anything. Whereas if you're a man that can provide financial support to a woman, they don't have to stress about them things. They don't have to stress about how they're going to pay their bills. They're not going to have to stress about how they're going to have to pay the childminder to look after their child while they go out to work. They don't have to stress about losing their job. They don't have to stress about that, because they know that if anything, their man has got them. Also, you have to think of, if you for instance have a baby, right? Like, you have to take time off work. You have to, because you're pregnant, and you have to think during that time when you're off work or you're getting half pay or whatever the case may be, can this man provide for you and your family? I feel like a lot of women don't think about this in relationships when they get into relationships with men. This is a perfect example of gender roles. When a woman is pregnant and she has to sit down and relax her body in order to have a healthy child, this is where a man has to now assume his position. You have to. That's your child and that's the mother of your child. You're supposed to be a provider. And there's no argument at this point, because at the end of the day, you're not having the baby. The woman's doing all the work. So if you're somebody that can calm a woman's mind knowing that you got this, what this allows the woman to do is to be less stressed about those things. And what it allows her to do now that she's not stressed is to tap into her feminine energy. And when you tap into your feminine energy, you will allow the man to take their lead, and you will calm down, you will submit. So this is like one of the main things of submission to a woman, and people won't want to say it because they don't want to appear like they're gold diggers. But me personally, I don't have no man providing nothing for me, and I have my own coin, so no one can come and talk to me. But I'm just saying that fact of the matter is, having money, being affluent, is going to allow more women to want to submit to you. Facts. Make sure she can trust you. Don't let any girl have no chat for your girl. That's number one. That's the main thing. Don't make next girl have chat for your girl and be coming to tell your girl something that is out on the street. If things do go wrong, if you do make a mistake, be honest. Just tell her. You and your girl are supposed to be like Bonnie and Clyde. It's a gang member thing. It's gang. At the end of the day, anybody says anything about your woman or towards your woman or disrespects your woman, you're supposed to have her back 100%. You're supposed to stick up for her. You're supposed to make sure you're always communicating with your girl when you're out, when you're doing things. You're supposed to show her that you're always thinking about her. She will trust you because she believes that you've got her back and you're an honest person, and that allows a woman to calm down, to bring her walls down, because a lot of the walls that women have up it's a matter of trust. They have had their trust broken before, and say put walls up now because they can't trust a man. So it's the more trust you show her, the more honest you can be, the more her walls come down, and the more she relaxes in the situation, and the more she will submit. Make her your priority. Other than maybe your parents or your children, your girl should be your next priority. Nothing else should come before that. Not work, not your friends, other girls, nothing. It should go your mom, your kids, your girl, or your mom, your girl. And even at sometimes it has to be your girl, your mum. Obviously you have to do it respectfully because mumsy is number one, but when you're a grown man, you have to stick up for your girl. Let people know that this is the woman that you have chosen for your life. Make her your priority. Not every weekend going out raving with your man them. Do you know what I mean? Cutting shapes. Not every weekend. Not every weekend. Like some weekends chilling with your girl. Spend time with her. Let her know that she's a priority. If you want to go out so badly, why not take your girl with you? How about enjoy your time with you? Why can't your girl come out with you to the rave? This is a question. This is a real big question. Why can't your girl come to the dance with you? What are you doing in the dance while your girl can't come? Buy her flowers. Treat her good. Ask her how her day was. Make sure you're in communication with her. Text her. Call her. Make sure she's good. When a woman knows that you are making her your priority, it makes it so easy to submit to a man like that. To go quiet. Because I know a lot of you feel like I can't be quiet. But I'm telling you, when these type of men are around me, the volume is very low. The volume it goes from head to head. Do you know what I mean? I don't have much to say because I'm relaxed. I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying myself with a real man. But if you're a pagan, you're going to hear my mouth all day long. The fourth and final way to get a girl to submit to you is to be a boss. Be a boss. And when I say be a boss, it's all about how you move really. Like, are you VIP? Are you a VIP man? No girl's submitting to a fuckcock. I'm gonna tell you that for free. Nobody is submitting to a man that is available to everybody. Like, are you exclusive? Who's in your circle? What type of people are in your circle? Is it just any random man from the ends? Just any raggedy rag? Are you moving with bosses? What are you doing with your life? Do you have a career? What are you chasing? Do you get up and go every day and want to make money for your girl, for your family, for your whatever the case may be? Do you have drive? Do you have ambition? Can anyone just chat to you? Can any girl just come up on the road and chat to you, or no? Are you stush? Because girls will definitely submit to a stush man. How do you move? Are you a chatty patty? Are you one of these men that just be chatting all the time? Or are you just laid back, moving like a boss, making your money, putting your girl first? Like, a girl is going to submit to a man that moves. There's something sexy about that. But you're chilled. You're not stunting. Like, out here getting money. You're putting your girl first. Your circle is all bosses. Like, you lot are all getting money. Yeah, that's the type of man I'm going to be. Him. So that was my 4 ways of how to make a bad submit. If you agree with me, make sure you comment below and let me know. If you don't, also make sure you comment below and let me know your opinion on what you think makes a bitch submit. But me personally, I know these things. If you come with these qualities, I'm gonna be cool. I'm gonna be cool just giving you nothing but back rubs and jerk chicken. Before I go, obviously I want to big up one of my gang. Thank you so much for this comment. I love you guys. I love you guys commenting. You already know. Yeah, follow me on my socials and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you. You're done already. I'm out. Wow.